NAXJA Winterfest 2026. Got Fisher here in his new build. Cameraman got his WJ over here. So we're excited to have a good time. About to join the driver's meeting. Fisher, you excited?
We're excited. Hopefully we don't break anything, but it's probably going to happen. So we'll have a good weekend.
Yeah, let's do it. At this stop, I just wanted to check in with you, Fisher. Now that we've got new bumpers, full Rocklink Pro, front to rear, hydro bumps, gas tank skid, all these new things, what do you think?
I think we may have made it too easy. We got to find a harder trail because so far we're not getting stuck. We've got no problems. The hydro assist, everything's working amazing. I'm really happy with it so far, and I'm looking to get ready for the rest of the day and go do some harder stuff tomorrow.
Yeah, we got into some twisty stuff, and we did kiss those rockers a little bit, so maybe that's the next upgrade?
Yeah, probably gonna get some rock sliders on there, because we all know that those doors are gonna get beat down and put down, and it's not ideal. So we gotta be able to open our doors after we're done wheeling.
Out of all the stuff we've done so far, this Jeep, what's your favorite?
Rear fork, easily. It takes everything, all the leaf springs, all the axle wrap, gets rid of all of those problems that I was fighting. It's really quiet. The hydro bumps are really nice in the back, so that when it come down off a big obstacle, it doesn't hit very hard. No crazy bottom out, no metal on metal. I've been really, really happy with that.
A true game changer suspension upgrade, like night and day difference on a Cherokee between leaf springs and a Link suspension. Amazing.
Yeah, it's been great. And then I gotta say, second up, hydro assist, because that's been working really well for me. I got little noodle arms, helps me steer.
Sweet. All right, we're gonna get back on the trail here. We'll check in with you guys later. Oh geez, we're at the top of your tire. Oh God. Oh, yeah.
everybody's telling me it broke. I was ready to send it again.
Looks like it's still there. It might be an axle. No, it was definitely that axle. Yeah. Okay.
All right, we got off a pretty cool obstacle just now. Fisher took his XJ, newly built, up there. Fisher's behind the camera right now. Walk me through what happened there.
Right, so Fisher made it up the obstacle, and I couldn't let him, get it without me trying it at least. So everybody goaded me into, hey, you gotta try it, you gotta try it.
It's true, we did.
Yeah, and I was like, well, if Fisher did it, I can do it, right? Took the dub up there, the only dub here at this XJ event. I got up most of the way, but just caught maybe a bad bounce.
Bad bounce, some good undercuts.
There's a loud bang, and then one tire in the back just stopped functioning, so.
That one. We're still getting around. 3 wheels work, 1 doesn't.
Yep.
We don't have an axle shaft to replace it, so.
Nope.
I think that's a wrap for us today.
We'll be
back to the
tomorrow.
camera. Yeah.
We'll be back tomorrow.
We'll be back tomorrow.
It's day 2 of Winterfest. It's been raining all night, but we got a Jeep out here. It's gonna get wet, it's gonna get muddy, it's gonna get dirty. But we're gonna have a good time today.
Roll into it. There you go. There you go. Now driver a little bit.
Yeah! Stop. You broke something bad.
Are you doing maybe? All right, tell us about your Jeep.
This is a 97 Grand Cherokee. It's got a 5.2. It's got lunchbox lockers front and rear.
What axles?
Stock axles. It does have chromoly shafts in the front, or maybe, it did. But yeah, besides that, it's pretty much stock.
Nice.
A little bit of lift, like 3 inches of lift. Still short arms.
What size tires?
35s, 35, 12 and a half.
Nice. All right, what's the verdict?
Axle. Is that the one you welded?
Passenger side?
Passenger side, yeah.
Bummer. I got more in the truck. We'll be back. All right.
That pedal on the right, push that a little bit further. Commit.
afternoon.
Let me see it.
Both sides. Hell. Or the camp couldn't spin that far.
Hey, you need those almost alloys, buddy.
I know, it's too late.
This is that side. Bummer. Passenger. Stop.
Time to get some food. Yum. Burritos. Burritos. So as you can see, there's a whole bunch of Jeeps behind us. This is our closeout. We've had a couple good days here at the Winterfest 2026. It's been a good time. We've got 2 broken axle shafts to deal with when we get back home, but
One on each Jeep.
one on each Jeep. So it'll be axle shaft central back at Iron Rock coming up this next week, but we'll be back out doing some fresh wheeling coming up pretty soon here.
How'd you like that Rocklink Pro?
It's a game changer. It's a good thing to have, so recommend checking it out. Give me a call if you got any questions about it.
See you next time, guys.